Hello, this is Mrs. Collier. I'm going over today's division as equal groups, and I'm going to open it with Cami. Okay, so let's read number 1. It says you have 10 marbles. So remember, all I have is 10 marbles. And it says you have 5 bags. So I have a total of 10 marbles, and I only have 5 bags. Each bag has the same number of marbles. How many marbles are in each bag? Draw an equal groups picture. So I'm going to come down here and I'm just going to freehand my shapes. So these are my bags. They don't have to look just like a bag. You can use the drawing tool and do a box, or the shapes tool and do a box. I just want a total of 5. Tell them in class, this isn't art with Mr. Seabolt. I don't expect perfection. I just want you to do what you can do. So there's my 5 bags. So now I've got 10 marbles. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through and I'm going to put a marble in each bag and just do it that way. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, come on, and 5. So now I'm going to go through and give each bag another marble. So this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's all of my marbles. So now we are supposed to then use these pictures to figure out our actual problem. So we had a total of 10 marbles. So I'm going to say 10, and I'm going to say divided by, and I know that's, we do not have a regular division key. So I'm just going to draw the line, and then I'm going to put divided by 5, because that's what they've given us, equals, and there are 1, 2 in each bag, equals 2. Then I'm going to use my drawing tool and come back and put a dot above my little line, because our division line, when we're writing them this way, it has a line with 2 dots. You can also do it this way. My text box, you can do 10. And then move that over a little bit. Over here and do my 5. So then you can use your drawing tool and you can draw the division symbol like we had last week. So my 5 is kind of hanging out there a little bit, but as you do it, you'll figure out how to make it better distance-wise, which I can bring it on over a little bit. And again, you guys are the experts with these tools. I am not, and that's okay. And then my answer is 2. So both of those mean the same thing. We still have the 10 because that's our total, and we have the 5 and the 2. So we still have everything. We can write it this way or this way. Either way will be considered correct. Let's take a look at number 2. So let's take a look at number 2 now. And 2 is after my own heart, the way I like to teach division. It's cupcakes. It says you have 20 cupcakes. You have 4 plates. Each plate has the same number of cupcakes. How many cupcakes are on each plate? So I'm going to draw my plates. And again, they do not have to be perfect. I will kind of make them sort of round. And I don't have the best luck with the shapes tool, is why I'm freehanding them. I'm not doing so good freehanded either. But anyhow, so there's my 4 plates. Now I have 20 cupcakes. I'm going to do the same thing I did before. I'm going to say, here's one for you, one for you, one for you, and one for you. So that's 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And that's all I'm doing is put one in each group. It's kind of like if you've ever played some sort of card game and you are the one that's dealing out the cards, whether it's Old Mate or whatever, it's one for you, one for you, one for you, one for you. And that's kind of what you're doing when you divide. So when we're doing these equal groups, once you've drawn out your plate, your bag, your whatever it is, you'll just be going one, 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 one until you get to whatever number. In this case, it was 20. So now, as far as my division problem will go, I'm going to stick to making this style. So let me go ahead and draw my little division bar. And I had 20 cupcakes. That's what I was dividing. I was dividing them by 4. So 20 and my 4. Then I'm going to count and see how many I had in each plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it should always be the same if you're careful, but we're all able to make errors. It's something that happens. So I'm just going to go through and count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got it correct. They each have 5. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. We're going to do one more together, and let's see. This one says you have 24 M&Ms and you have 4 bowls. Each bowl has the same number of M&Ms. How many are in each bowl? So let me get my drawing tool and I'm going to draw my bowl. I'm going to kind of leave them open because they're kind of like a bowl. So there's my 4 bowls. And now I'm just going to be saying one for you, one for you, one for you until I've used 24. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what I wanted to do. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that's all of them. Let's go ahead and count how many is in each bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're all correct. So I have 6 in each bowl. So I'm going to do my division problem. Erase that one. That one was terrible. And again, I see what neat assignments you guys turn in because you've learned these tools so well, and it makes me feel bad. But I had a total of 24 that will go here and the 4 here. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 4 here and put my 24. And then when I counted, I saw there were 6 in each bowl. So if you're having trouble and you don't understand how to do this, if you will join me for a live Google Meet, I'll be glad to help you. Thank you.